be back, but you can reach out.
All right, guys, we made it to Chicago.
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
We're currently eating Uber Eats. We almost missed our flight. That was like terrible. Yeah, but honestly, this is so good. It's from Jammy's. It's from Jammy's, but
Jimmy Coach.
this hits. We have a full day tomorrow, but see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. We're in Chicago. But it is Thursday morning and we're walking over to a cafe to get some coffee. This is the Chicago local. Divish, introduce yourself.
My name is David. I'm 6 foot, 200. I'm born and raised in Chicago, Illinois. And fun fact is I love long walks on the beach.
Jane is shy. Joe.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm 6'1".
Actually, the last time I was There we go.
A shot.
There we go.
Navy Pier. Navy Pier. Currently, Divish is having a photo shoot. Slaying. But I think we're gonna get deep dish. Oh, I think we're gonna get deep dish for lunch. So excited.
Should we like converse normally, or should we be?
Yeah, you guys can talk because the mic will pick up everything. Alright guys, we're at Malnati to get some deep dish pizza. I'm gonna try it. It's the Chicago special with sausage. It looks so good.
Chocolate sprinkle?
You got cricket card, right?
Yes.
Can we get the blue blueberry?
Oh, I know.
So it's like 3 p.m. right now, but I'm actually heading down to the Starbucks in this hotel building to get some work done while my friends rest up at the hotel. We had like a full day of walking around, so my friends are just resting right now in their hotel rooms and I'm just gonna do some work, get some editing done, and then we're heading out soon in like an hour to get happy hour with some friends. And one of our friends actually moved from Seattle to Chicago, so super excited to see him. Oh, wait, you look kind of fire.
I can't see it.
It looks good, it looks good. What is your Halloween costume today?
I am Prayag from TikTok.
We're currently walking to the Art Institute of Chicago. We got brunch earlier at this place called Yolk. How would you rate it, Jane?
10 out of 10.
That's pretty high. Actually, it was really good because Seattle doesn't have diner brunches like that.
And the portions are
Yeah, they gave a lot of food, so we recommend.
He's living in a dream.
You're not tall enough.
He doesn't seem to stray far from today. There is nothing to have seen as we live today in so many ways. Now there are men who take a different route, put on a tie and suit each day, but he don't care about their ways. He simply wants to blaze the day away.
Alright guys, we're at Portillo's, Chicago's famous fast food place, and I got an Italian beef sandwich with hot peppers and gravy on the side. Joe, do you want to introduce what you got?
I'll show y'all what I got today. First, I got the Portillo's beef hot dog, everything on it. From Chicago, you know, we don't do ketchup on our hot dogs, we do mustard, relish, sport peppers. And then I also got, the Italian beef sandwich.
What I ordered? Oh, dude, so I got a root beer. I got a hot dog without tomatoes and relish. Then I got Italian beef with the grease. And I got a chocolate cake for the table. Represent Shy City.
Wait, that's good. This hits in a really soulful way.
Gotta dip it.
Okay, I'm gonna dip it in the gravy now. I think you need to get it with the gravy. Like, you can't get it without the gravy. Let's try the hot dog. Oh, is it spicy?
No, not spicy.
Oh my gosh, this cake is so good.
Glorious.
321.
Bruh.
What's the chance you're calling me out? What's the chance I'ma hear it coming out of your mouth? Yeah. What's the chance you're putting me out? What's the chance I'ma hear? I don't love you, don't wanna lose your love. Let's go.
Chicago architecture boat tour. Are you excited, Hazel?
Yeah, I think I've actually never done this. So.
Oh!
Are you excited, Elane?
Yeah, I'm very excited. We did this last year, but then we're doing it again because we really enjoyed it. But it's so freaking cold outside. We're freezing.
So windy.
Yeah.